So it comes with your standard accessories. Got a little strap on here, Type-C, charging cable, key remover, strap for wire strap. This is it. Now this isn't. While the accessories might be your standard accessories, the keyboard is not. So this is not your standard keyboard. This is really cool. So you got the semi-transparent keys. It's nice. I like it. It's much smaller than your standard keyboard, and I'll show you guys the difference. It's just really cool. I love that you can see the board underneath. Just look at the colors. Wow. So here's keyboard comparison. And this keyboard here's not super big, but you can see the difference here. Here, let's line this up from right there. So there's a big difference in size. Again, this is really cool. Definitely cool. Yeah, this is nice. I like it. I love the colors. And it's not even nighttime and it's so bright. Definitely really cool, guys. If you love rainbow, RGB, LEDs, I think you're going to love this. Look underneath it. Even underneath it, it's really cool.